I'm Kimberly Cook. I've been in Advanced Superabrasives for going on 6 years. Well, I went to the Navy when I was 17 and did about 4.5 years in the Navy as a communications electrician. And so when I came out, it was a little bit of a challenge looking for a job that related to the field that I worked in there. And just got lucky, I think, coming here eventually and finding a place where I think I've made my home and will be for a long time.
My name is Perry Phillips. I served 8 years as a Marine. As far as ASI goes, they give me a chance, to show them what I can do.
My name is Robert Brown. I'm originally from Tennessee. I retired from the Army in 2012. What I like about it here is just the team environment, actually. That's what the military is all about also. I mean, it's just, you got to depend on everybody else. And it's nice to know when you come in the next morning, whoever was there did a job right, and ain't left you in a bind. It helps a lot.
There's 4 veterans who work here, and all of us get along pretty good. So it's really a tight-knit community.
The management here, they love the veterans. We can tell. We, of course, have special activities during Veterans Day and things like that, but they allow us to make our routine trips to the VA, which sometimes are frequent and time-consuming. And they basically just work with us in any way they can to make sure that our work here goes on and that we're happy.
One big thing they do is they give me plenty of time if I need time off to go to doctor's appointments, VA, stuff that we kind of set aside when you're in the Army. You really don't have time, and give me opportunities to go to school, whatever I need to do.
Oh, I love what I do. Right now, ASI is hiring me a tutor so that I can learn more upon what I can already do.
Everything we do here, because it's such a small company, everything directly, we can see it. We can see the results of it. We can see how the company's growing because of it. And so that's rewarding as well.
I highly recommend this place. The guys go out of the way to support us in any way they can. It's a good environment to work.